Bitcoin next move will shock 97% of you guys. So are you ready for it? To know exactly which move us we talking about, make sure to watch today's video from the start till the end without skipping any part of that video. As you see guys, that the weekly candle here, it finished. Bitcoin give us here like a indecision candle here in the weekly. That what it indicating to us. It's indicating to us there is no clear direction here in the weekly guys, because it might after that weekly candle how it closed like that, we're going to see it Bitcoin pumping from here, and it might from here we're going to see it dumping, because that indecision candle here will close like that. It's indicating that. By the way guys, before we continue, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Guys, I know you can do it, so please my friend, smash that like button which is down and write with it a comment if it's possible. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and on bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday we enter here a long in the sol. It's hitting for us the first take profit. We're moving stop loss to entry point because we're going to enter another long because we don't want to have two trades open, so we want only one, and the first one we make it risk free. Then we enter another long in the Bitcoin as you see it here. We enter that long here. What happened today? As you see it guys, it's hitting for us the first take profit of our long. So if you are interested in those type of signals my friend, the link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Go click at it. You're going to land here in Patreon. You click at join, that one or that one, depending on you what you want. To read the description to know exactly what is it the difference between each and every one of that two. You finish the payment process inside Patreon. There is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. If you're facing any problem, you can text me either here in Patreon, in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down in the description of that video, and we are going to solve your problem. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as I told you, we got here a indecision candle here. That one, it can indicate anything here, because as you see that candle here will close today. Is it a candle like that? Let me change the color. Is it a candle like that? We got a tail in the top and a tail down here, and that one also we call it a indecision candle because it's indicating there is no clear direction. As you see it down here, when it happened here, is it the same candle will happen today? You see it here. Let me zoom those things to show you what I'm talking about. If you look here with me, you see that candle here, that one here, that red one I'm talking about, the red one. Is it the same like that one here? Yes or no guys? Is it the same candle? So what that's indicating? It's indicating one of two, because last time when it happened here, we saw the Bitcoin it pumping again. Now there is one of two. Either Bitcoin from here going to fall down or from here going to continue upward, because that indecision candle, that's what it meant. There is no clear direction. Now how else we can catch a long and how else we can catch a short? Here in the weekly there is no clear direction yet, because the low, is it here? Is it the same low of or the neckline of that head and shoulder as we show you in daily? In the top you can make here like a small triangle like that, and the weight is going to be broke, but in daily is going to be more clear than here in weekly. I think I explained everything to you guys now here, because in the weekly we need to show you all the long term analysis as we talking about. Yes or no? Here in the weekly we still have here, look at it guys, you see that up channel as we talked about before here. You see it how clear it is here. You see it? We haven't touched the top of it yet. So it might Bitcoin from here to come back again to touch the top of that up channel as we show you before. That's the first scenario. Second scenario, what is it? Bitcoin is going to stay sideways like that till it will touch in the lower of that channel. Then after to give us a new high, even though when it's possible, guys. Because if you're looking with me here, that's what majority of the people, they are missing, guys. Look here, the first phase, second phase, and now also we enter here in the third phase. So maybe Bitcoin is going to keep consolidating here, then after that to give us a new high, even though one it's possible. Why me? I'm still very bullish like that, because if you remember what me I told you even if it make that correction, it's going to be only 30%, and we told you to where exactly. We told you between 85k till 75k. We show you all those things. Now here, let me show you my chart. We show you the one here, 500 before the halving and 500 after the halving. That when it's going to be the top. Exactly at 29 of September 2025. That when you need to sell your Bitcoin, guys. And that one here, it's predict exactly the bottom as you see it here. You see those things, guys? And even if you go back and you see the past, is the same thing. Now here in the top, the first uptrend, that yellow one here, we started from that two here, the one and the one. We are in it, guys. We haven't break it down yet. We're still holding. And what happened there? Let me show you what happened there, because it's very important. It happened there like that. You see, we got here a trend. It's getting broke like that. We came back, we tested. Now for us to know that uptrend it's still valid and that breakout it happened real, not a fake breakout. It's need the market to come back to break for us that last high here. The last high here, what is it? 108k, guys. If the market came back and breaking for us 108k, we're still in a bullish trend, guys. That the first thing. Second thing, what is it? Second thing is it here, that one here, the second one. That one is still far away. If we go to it, we're going to reach to $500,000, guys, or at least 200k. Target of me, they stay in the same, haven't changed nothing. 174k. That's my second target. The third target 275k. And the fourth target, I show it to you, is it here? 530k, guys. So those was the target of me here in Bitcoin. Another very important thing here in Bitcoin in weekly, let me show it to you. Is it the one here, guys? If you look at those moving averages, that way me I told you also we still in our uptrend, guys. There is nothing change here. Look at those moving averages. This yellow one here is the 20 moving average. The blue one is the 50. The white one is the 100. And the red one is the 200. Look where you are. You are in a bullish uptrend, guys. Look at that pretty uptrend here. And some people they're telling you need to short Bitcoin. Where they get that? Based on RSI or based on MACD? Those things they don't work, guys. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see the coming news for all the week. So let's go in there to see it. Coming news for all the week, guys. That week is going to be a huge week for market. So don't rush and be careful, my friend. We started by Monday. Is it a holiday in Japan? Don't worry, it will not affect at all the cryptocurrency. Tuesday, what we got? We got the PPI or inflation data of USA. It's going to come at 1:30 GMT time. Wednesday, what we got? CPI data or inflation data of UK and CPI data of USA or inflation data of USA. It's going to come at 1:30 GMT time in Wednesday, guys. Thursday, what we got? GDP of UK, CPI data of Germany, and core retail sales of USA. It's going to come same time at 1:30 GMT time. It's a very big week, guys. And Friday, what we got? We got the CPI data or inflation data of the Eurozone. So you need to be careful, my friend. If you don't know how to trade exactly for day traders, you need to be with professional people. Over here is our friend, the table of us. We're looking at it every day here in that channel. What it telling us? All US market or US indices, they started the week red. Nasdaq 100 red, SP 500 red, Dow Jones red. So all US market, they bleeding, guys. And even our friend here, the VIX, what it telling us? The fair and scarcity is too high, 19.54. It means too much scarcity and fair. Did we bottom? Because in the normal days in any market you are in it, depending on what you trading. When the fair is too high, that's the right time for you to buy. And when the greed is too high, that's the right time for you you to sell. As you see it, guys, 19.54. Also, we're still waiting. We'll reach to 20. And I think that week we're going to reach to it. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in daily, guys. Here in Bitcoin in daily, we got a lot of things and many things here. As you see, those candles here. Now we're still waiting that green candle here to close like that. And that is going to give us here a continuation pattern indicating the market is going to go more higher. At the first scenario, second scenario is it that one here. We show it to you that head and shoulder. And we told you if it's breaking the neckline of it down here, you need to enter a short. We show you all those things. And now we got here that triangle we just show you in the weekly. That one here, we just show it to you in the weekly. Now that one, if the market break it here, that means more long. If the market give you here in smaller time frames a price action, the market is going to go back to touch that downtrend here. Also, we don't care where it's going to go. Also, we just want to catch that money from here 92k till 100k or 98k. It's very good money, guys. That's what I told you. Another very important thing here in daily, guys, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? You see the 20 moving average? Till now we couldn't break it, guys. If you look with me here and we came and we zoom it here, what you see in that candle which is going now, it just touch it. And me I tell it to you yesterday, we enter from here and we're aiming just to touch that moving average, and we touch it. Now what the view? One of two. Either from here is going to break it, or from here is going to fall down to touch the 100 moving average, which is exactly at 86k at that time when us were recording the video, and it's going to go more higher, guys. So us we still waiting the market to come back by power to break those moving averages, because if we haven't, those moving averages here, they are a very stronger resistance. So what that telling you? They're telling you one thing: we still in a downtrend, guys. Nothing was changed here in daily. So I think I explained everything to you. Now let's go into see the Bitcoin we're doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here, those moving averages in 12 hours, we tell it to you, even here, based on volume profile, is a very stronger level. We came back, we touched them, and the market showing to us here like pin bar there. Yes, we need to wait in that 12 hours candle to close. If it closes like that, it's going to indicate the market is going to dump, but we need to wait the market to fall down to break that very stronger level at 92k, because that level till now it's still holding the Bitcoin. And today market is open, is going to enter US players, so you need to be careful, my friend. Exactly those things. Levels, you need to look at them very close here in Bitcoin in 12 hours. That level we just touched now, 95,486, that one here with red. We got another level in the top, 102,603, and that one down here, 98,808. Those ones, the levels, you need to look close at them, what the Bitcoin going to do. If we break in that 98,808, we are going to fall down to 85,093. So those ones, the levels, you need to look close at them. Now it's going to see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Ethereum in the 4 hours, guys. Here in the Ethereum, you remember what I told you yesterday? I told you need to wait at the break to happen here. Till now we came back to it, but we haven't break it. If we break the Ethereum here, you need to enter along till the top here, or 4,000. People that are with me also, we buy from down here, and we still waiting what's going to happen here. For the short, you can do something like that. You see it like an uptrend, and you wait it to be broke. You can catch another short, but now you need to be careful exactly for short, because level you are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. So you need to be careful about that level, guys, because it's too dangerous to enter a short from the bottom. Short, it's being from the top here. I'm talking about those ones, they use a leverage. Those ones, they don't. That's why also we buy in the bottom here, because in any book you read about trading or any course, they will tell you buy the low and sell the high. And now you are in the low. It's too dangerous to enter a short now. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go into see our indicator. We're saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, after it touch here, extreme oversold area. Also, we enter along from here. That's what also we doing now. We're still stuck here in that wall here. So we need to wait what's going to happen. Plus, we got here the downtrend here. And I told you when it's going to be touched, you need to see what's going to happen there. If we break it, that's one more long. Or if it give us here a reversal pattern, we're going to catch a short. I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin is doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in the 4 hours, guys. Here's Bitcoin in the 4 hours. We told you that level here, we need to focus about it. Now, that head and shoulder, as we show you before, it given us there a very stronger cup and handle like that. You see it like that, or double bottom in the 4 hours. So if we break in the neckline here, we are going back to the top here, that downtrend here to touch it exactly at 99k or 100k. That's what us we are doing now at this time. We still waiting the break here, that candle which is going now, as you see it, guys, it reached to that level and showing to us as if a rejection there, but it's left for 2 hours. And look at it there, the cup and handle me I told you, like that and like that. And we need to wait the break here. If it's happen a break, we're going to happen same like that head and shoulder as we show you here. When we break in here, we go with it till 102k. Now also we still waiting here a break. That way also we enter that long, people there with me, also we enter from down here. It's hitting for us the first take profit of us it was here. Now also we are risk free, we move stop loss to here. We tell some people they following us to move it to entry point depending the order size of you. Now everything is possible, guys. It can even from here fall down and breaking that uptrend here, and we're going to see Bitcoin falling down again. Which level me I'm talking about, let me show you that. If you're looking with me here, let me zoom it a little bit. You're looking with me here, we came with touching the 100 moving average, and Bitcoin is showing to us a very stronger level there. Now for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher, look at the neckline of that cup and handle I just show you. It's need to break for you even the 50 moving average for you to know the Bitcoin is going to go back to the 200 moving average. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying today here in Bitcoin. Based on our indicator, as you see, the first one is at extreme oversold area, same like how it happened here. But also we don't follow that one, also we follow the down one. The down one is enter to that zone where there is no trading. Now we need to wait it either to enter to a place where is the bulls they controlling, or to come back again to a place where is the bears they controlling. At this time there is no trading, guys, and you need to wait till you got a clear direction. Even now if you go to the Bollinger Band, is it like that, guys? There is a huge move coming, but which direction you need to wait it. I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Here in 30 minutes, we got that zone here, or that very stronger supply and demand zone here. As you see it, we need to break it. We touch it now a lot of times. First, second, third, fourth. Now we are in the 5th time in it. We need to break that zone here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. Based on moving averages here in 30 minutes, also we are in a bull market, guys. There is nothing changed. And look at that cup and handle I just show you in 4 hours, guys. Look at it here. You see it here? Very clear and big a cup and handle here in 4 hours. If we break in the neckline, we're going to see Bitcoin going more higher. Not for long, for short, you came to that one here and you do something like that. You see it? Like that. You're going to have here like a triangle, and you wait in the break of it to be here for you to catch a short, guys. Now let's see our indicator what it's saying here in Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it's playing up and down. That means also we are now in a sideways level, and that's what even the market telling us here. What shall we do? Shall we enter a long now or a short? I told you for long we still waiting the break here. For short, also we still waiting that zone here. That's what us we doing, because now even if you're looking at our indicator, look at it up, down, so there is no clear direction. Yes, now the good news, also we are in a bull market, but guys, we need volume. We need either retail traders, all of them to come back, or today US market they started buying. So I think I explained everything to you guys. If you want our signals, you can join us. The link is down in description of of that video in the first comment. So that's it for that video, and please guys, if you like our content, make sure to smash the like button, write down a comment. If it's possible, share even that video with your friend and your family. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video guys. Bye for now.